Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on mathematical statistics and statistical softwares. In this video I will explain about Poisson distribution. In the before video I explained about binomial distribution. In this video I will explain about Poisson distribution. See, this is introduction. Having discussed the binomial distribution in the preceding video, we now turn to the Poisson distribution, which is also a discrete probability distribution. Yes, Poisson distribution is also discrete probability distribution. Before we know the distribution, it becomes necessary to understand what a Poisson variable is. A variable which can be take only one discrete value in an interval of time. However, small is known as Poisson variable. It was discovered by French mathematician S.D. Poisson and hence named after him. When n is very large and p is very small, then the binomial distribution cannot be applied. As binomial distribution, Poisson distribution is also one of the most widely used distributions. It is used in quality control to count the number of defective items or in insurance problems to count the number of casualties. See, finally, Poisson distribution and binomial distribution both are most important distributions and wide application is there in biostatistics also. These two are most important in discrete distributions, remaining also there hypergeometric, geometric, negative binomial, all are there, but these two are most important. Why? Because this have a wide application in biostatistics also. Biostatistics also. So that's why these are most important. And the when the sample size increases, it is this this distribution automatically changes to normal, standard, normal also. Now we can see some definitions with examples how to fit a Poisson distribution, all things. Now we can see what is how we can say this is the Poisson process. Poisson process have a wide application in operational research also. Operational research. In operational research, queuing theory is there. Queuing theory totally based on Poisson process. Queuing theory and Poisson. And in stochastic process also, Markov chain also. In Markov chain also we have wide application is there for Poisson distribution. So now we can see Poisson distribution is a limiting case of binomial distribution under the following conditions. If n the number of trials is independently, when n increases, then p is the constant probability of success for each trial independently. P tends to 0 when np equal to m or say lambda. Generally we use np equal to lambda is finite, then p equal to, here we can equate np equal to lambda, then p equal to lambda by n. That time it reaches to Poisson. Poisson tends to binomial, where m or lambda is a fixed real number. Under the above three conditions, the probability mass function of a binomial distribution tends to the Poisson probability mass function of Poisson distribution, whose definition and derivation given below. Derivation in books you can refer, you can get derivation also. In this video I didn't explain derivation. I will just explain definition on what is PMF with some examples. Now we can see what is the definition of Poisson distribution. A random variable x is said to follow Poisson distribution if it assumes only non-negative values and its probability mass function is given by, this is probability mass function, probability of x equal to k equal to lambda power k into e power minus lambda by k factorial. It follows Poisson lambda. Poisson distribution having only one parameter lambda. Here k values take from 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. So the distribution tells you the probability of all possible number of new cases from 0 to infinity. Limits are from 0 to infinity. Here x is new cases next month. This is some examples here. Generally we do not like this. X follows Poisson lambda. Okay, now we can see what is the mean and variance. In Poisson distribution, mean is lambda and variance is also lambda. Then standard deviation is square root of lambda. Lambda means expected number of hits in a given period of time, means average value. This is one special case. In only one distribution having mean and variance is equal. See, for a Poisson random variable, the variance and mean are same. No other distributions have same mean and same variance. Gamma distribution is there. For gamma distribution, when we have gamma lambda comma 1, that time mean and variance are equal, but it will be not considered when gamma, lambda comma beta is there with two parameters, that time not equal. So Poisson distribution and gamma distribution also tends also there. These two are widely used in queuing theory, operational research, all things. Erlang distribution, all are there. All distributions we can discuss with applications also. Now see the simple example. A manufacturer of screws knows that 5% of his products are defective. So 5% is defective, means this is P. This is P. If he sells his product in a carton of 100 items, 100 items means here you will be getting N, and guarantees that not more than 10 items. Now we need to find this 10 items will be defective. No, now probability of not more than 10, more than 10, probability of x greater than 10. Then we need to find what is the probability that the carton will be failed to meet the guarantee quality, means we need to find this value. For finding this value, we know that lambda equal to np, lambda equal to np, n is 100, 5% means 0.05, here you get 5 is lambda, 5 is lambda. If you know lambda, then you can just substitute. For finding probability of x greater than equal to 10, I rearrange this as 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 10. I consider this also by assuming total probability equal to 1, then I will subtract this from this. Okay, now you can just substitute it. For finding x less than or equal to 1, we start from 0 to e power minus lambda, lambda is minus 5, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial plus and so on up to 10 you get, up to 10. If you find total, you get 1 minus 0.9805, then you subtract it, final value is 0.0135, so nearly 0, so less chances are there. Now you can see nowadays totally going to digital, so lot of calculators available in online. You can just search on Poisson distribution calculator, online calculator, then you get, just you find lambda value, then you can enter lambda value, then they give, if you need probability x greater than 10, if you just press on this probability of x greater than 10, it will be final value also given. There is lot of digital things also there nowadays. Just we need to just find what is p, what is n, like this only. If you find all ingredients for formula, then automatically answer will come from softwares. See, this is also one more example. A milk plant manufacturing ghee produce 3, there are small chances of 1 upon 500 for any ghee pouch to defective. These pouches are supplied in a packet of 10. What will be the approximately number of pouches containing no defectives? No defective means 0 defective. Probability of x equal to 0, probability of x equal to 1, probability of x equal to 2, probability of x equal to 3 ghee pouches in a consignment of 5000 pouches. See, we know p, this is p, this is n. Now we find lambda. If you get lambda 0.02, lambda equal to, by applying lambda equal to np. Now what we need? No defectives. No defective means probability of x equal to 0. Probability of x equal to 0. Then we need to find probability of x equal to 1. Probability of x equal to 1. Then we need to find probability of x equal to 2. Probability of x equal to 2. Then probability of x equal to 3. For probability of x equal to 3, you got 0. You get 0. Here also you get some values, you can calculate it by without calculator. Difficult to calculate for exponential for Poisson distribution, because here exponential value is there. We cannot calculate exponential value directly, so we need calculator compulsory for Poisson distribution. After calculating all these values, then what we need in a consignment of 5000 pouches. For 5000 pouches, we need to expected value of probability of x equal to 0. Probability of x equal to 0 equal to, how we get, n multiplied by probability of x equal to 0. If you multiply this value, you get something value. Then same thing like this, expected value of 1 also. Expected value of 1, n multiplied probability 1. Here also you get something value. If you add all probabilities for the expected value of 0 and 1, 2, 3, you get 5000. You can try it. Okay, this is also another example. This type of examples are important for objective. See, 3 into probability of x equal to 2 equal to probability of x equal to 4. Now we need to find probability of x equal to 3. This is very simple example. See, probability of x equal to 2 means e power minus lambda square by 2 factorial equal to x equal to 4 means e power minus lambda power 4 by 4 factorial Here lambda square e power minus lambda cancel, lambda square cancel, 2 factorial cancel. Here we get, now e 3 is there, 3 multiplied, finally you get 4 also is there, 4 equal to lambda square. Now you get lambda equal to plus or minus 6, but probability take always positive value, so lambda equal to 6. My lambda value is 6. Now you can just substitute from probability of x equal to 3, then you get, for finding probability of x equal to 3, e power minus lambda means lambda is 6, lambda power x means 3 by 3 factorial. You calculate this value, you also one get. Now we can do sum of examples where Poisson distribution we can use. Poisson distribution mainly use defectives and number of phone calls received per hour like this, then number of accidents in a day, all these number of typing errors, all these examples related to the Poisson distribution. See, the number of defective milk pouches per lot, the number of deaths of cattle in a big dairy farm in 1 year by rare disease, number of bottles broken in a different months or bottle breakage during different months. These all are the different examples are there. You can read, you can understand also. Main applications, Poisson distribution have a lot of application in stochastic process and in operational research. Main is their Poisson process. Poisson process is most important. We discussed in, after completing all distributions, we discussed Poisson process, all things. Now you just know what is the PMF and how to find with simple examples. Now we can see how to fit a Poisson distribution. Fitting a Poisson distribution. If you want to fit a Poisson distribution to a given frequency distribution, we compute mean to the given frequency distribution and equate to the lambda, which is mean of the Poisson distribution. Once lambda is known, the various probabilities can be calculated by the following formula. This is the formula. This is a recurrence relationship formula for Poisson distribution. Probability of r plus 1 by r, you can use different notations also, x or anything. This is finally you got n into lambda upon x plus 1. This is final formula for recurrence relation. So thank you for watching.